Okay, this is in regards as Unc saying 3D print, the resins are real brittle. This is the clear resin. This is the Saint Smart right here. Best stuff I've found. It ain't brittle at all. It's even got a little flex in it, look. Not breaking, fully cured. It's not yellow, it's not white. All I did is cure it with my UV light. Now this gray stuff, this stuff here breaks real easy. It's fucking brittle. It really depends on the type of resin you get. This Saint Smart, this is really, really good stuff. It's not, you know, look at it. Just want you to know, it really depends on the resin you're using if it's going to be brittle or not. But this is the stuff I'm going to get next. It's supposed to be flexible. This is my next challenge. Then I won't need my my filament printer. Check this stuff out. Look at that. Yeah, I just want you to know, it really depends on the resin that you get, if it's real brittle or not. The Saint Smart is a little costly, but man, I am really happy. Look at how clear that is. Tell me the quality ain't fucking awesome. Look at that. Well, just want you to know, it really depends on the resin you get. Peace. Love you.